Yep, you seen the title, you seen the thumbnail. We got another one-pan meal. I'm gonna show you how to make Spanish chicken and rice. Let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. We have our chicken breast here. We have some rice, chicken broth, garlic powder, some salt. Got some Spanish paprika here, some cumin, chili powder, some vegetable oil, Italian seasoning, and some coriander. Oh, and we have a half a lemon right here. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do, we have to prepare our Spanish style seasoning. So I'm gonna take my Italian seasoning, add it to this bowl, along with our chili powder, our salt, garlic powder, that cumin, Spanish paprika, and that coriander. Then we're just gonna get at a good mix like this and get it all combined. All right, this is what we have. All right, let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so we're gonna take half our vegetable oil and we're gonna coat it, our chicken in it. So we just wanna use half of it and we're gonna get that mixed in here like that. Now we're gonna take half our seasoning, which is about 4 teaspoons, and we're going to add this to our chicken. And we're gonna get that mixed up, just like that. All right, see what we got? Look at that, seasoned to perfection. So we're gonna set this aside, move over to our cooktop so we can begin cooking our chicken. All right, so now we're at our cooktop. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on, get that up to temperature with a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm sorry, vegetable oil. And once you brought your oil and your pan up to temperature, you just want to start adding your chicken pieces. And you're gonna cook these for about 2 to 4 minutes per side. So what you're looking for is a nice brown sear on each side. It's gonna finish cooking when we add the rice and the chicken broth. All right, so let's go start turning them over. Look at that nice color we have on that one there. And pretty much gonna have it on all of them. Look at that. Just gonna turn them over. Give them about 2 more minutes or 3 minutes on this side. Man, those things look perfect. All right, so we're about 3 minutes in on this side. I'm gonna pause our heat. We're just gonna remove our chicken pieces from our pan. And I'm just gonna sit it here in this dish here and set it aside. We're gonna bring them back into the shot. So no worries. It still is gonna be a one-pot meal, guys. Man, look at how beautiful those pieces are. All right, all right, so let's unpause our heat. Let's add our rice, our chicken broth. Put that juice of that half a lemon in there. The remaining of our Spanish seasoning. And we're just gonna mix that in here like that. And we want to bring this up to boil. As it comes up to boil, we're going to add our chicken back here into the pan. All those juices along with it. We're going to cover it, turn down our heat, cook it on low for about 20 to 25 minutes. You want to make sure that that liquid is absorbed, the rice is tender, and the chicken is cooked all the way through. All right, so that should take you about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, so we're about 23 to 25 minutes in, guys. Let's remove this lid. Man, look at what we got right here. Oh man, you can't tell me that doesn't look good. All right, so I'm going to turn off our heat. We're going to move this over to the cooktop so we can put some final garnishment and touches on it, and then we're going to jump into quality control, all right? All right, so now we're on our cooktop. What we're going to do is start adding some sliced lemons, you know, for garnishment. And now we're just going to take some fresh chopped. You can either take cilantro or parsley, and you can add it to the top like this. I have some cilantro here, and look how beautiful that looks. Beautiful. And there you have it. One pan or pot, Spanish chicken and rice. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also in the video description below, I'm gonna leave the measurements to these ingredients. That way you guys can have fun in the kitchen with this too. Let's jump over to quality control. All right, so we're back in here for quality control. I know everybody already saying, man, who is that that's about to enjoy this quality control with the Wing King? Well, I had a fellow content creator who flew into Santo Domingo, hit me up and said, hey man, I need to be a part of your quality control. And then you know me, I'm okay with that. So I invited her over to do quality control with me. And today we got this one pot or one pan Spanish chicken and rice. Now, before I get started, Jazzie is a content creator on YouTube. She has her own YouTube channel. So I'm gonna leave her information in the video description, so go over there and check her out. Jazz, you got anything you want to say, or you just want to wait until we try this Spanish rice?
I just really enjoyed getting to see your process. This was really awesome to watch you make this, and I can't wait to try it.
Hey, oh, she got that behind the scenes. You know, look, guys, I'm telling you, she got the behind the scenes. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and check this out. All right, I'm gonna try this white rice first.
It smells amazing.
Now listen, I love me some Spanish rice, but this right here,
It's next level.
I ain't even have to say nothing. Next level. All right, so let me try this chicken. Now I'm gonna tell you, the rice has a lot of flavor, guys. You don't need to have nothing to the rice. Chicken good too. Listen, make sure don't leave out that cumin. Remember, when you're cooking anything Mexican, you gotta have that cumin. I can taste that cumin in here, and I love me some cumin. So what's your thoughts?
I love it. The chicken is honestly so juicy, but so flavorful on the outside and the inside. And the rice just pairs really well with it because it's not too heavy or too strong. It's just very flavorful and light. So I love it.
So guys, another easy one-pot meal. Until the end, remember, so y'all already know who I am. I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.